Right, yeah, so we're just leaving Railton, aren't we, babe?
We are.
And we're going through to Sheffield, which is, look, 11 k's. Only a quick little jog, this one, isn't it? So there's a bit of topiary there, isn't it?
Yeah, they've got a bit along the streets up
You've got
here.
a guitar growing right there.
Yep.
I know they've got a cow up here, haven't they, babe?
And a man with a fishing rod, I think.
Yes, there is. There's a nice mural up there on that building, if you can see it, on that barn. Because we're heading to Sheffield, and that's a town of murals. And Railton is a town of topiary. So you guys thought you couldn't learn anything off Kimmy Russ Adventures. I know some of yous already know it. I'm probably dribbling shit to yous, but it's for all those guys that don't know it. It's a nice little windy road, albeit only 11 k's, like I said, to Sheffield. And we're going to get caught behind a ute.
On the best part of the road too.
Yes. There's a cow looking over a fence there in there, babe, topiary.
Yeah.
He's got horns. He's growing horns too, sweetie.
He's a
Is
dinosaur, is it?
that a dinosaur, is it?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's in the pros. No, it's a flying something. Yeah.
Pterodactyl.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
Whatever it is.
Pterodactyl.
Lovely little windy road. A lovely little windy road, and off to Sheffield we will go.
You're a poet, don't know it.
Watch him, watch him.
Oh, fuck,
Yeah.
he's right over.
Yep.
Oh,
Fucking oath he
goodness.
was.
He nearly took the fucking front of that ute out.
Fucking oath he did.
Gosh.
I don't know where he's looking.
Don't know. He was probably looking at that caravan down there.
We would have stopped in time, but still.
Yeah, that guy had to
We
go
would've-
over in the dirt.
Yeah, we would have had to go left too.
Yeah.
Betty, you seen it live on Kimmy Russ Adventures? Well, you might have seen it, I don't know.
Well, definitely seen that guy go over in the dirt.
Yeah, he was coming over the line.
I seen him. He was right over the line on the corner.
Yep. Hell of a lot of roadkill on the road up through this way, isn't there, babe?
Oh, lovely smells.
Yeah, look at it all. Always is between here, between Railton and Sheffield, plus from Railton onwards down to Latrobe Way, isn't it, babe?
Yeah.
A lot of roadkill.
Between Railton and Sheffield, you can understand why.
Oh, especially this way, because there's more trees. Sheffield to Sprayton's more farmland, isn't it? But this way it's just all, what, gum plantations, pine plantations.
Marijuana plantations. They're chilled out on the...
Yeah, they're high. Yeah, them animals are high when they're crossing the road.
So they're too slow crossing the road.
Yeah. Yeah, they get in that middle of the road. What's that, bro? Oh, I don't know, bro. Bang, gone.
Yeah, he's like, oh, that's one of those new Suzuki V-Stroms.
Oh, have a look at it, bro. Is that the 1,000 or the 650?
I don't know, I'll have a closer look.
Oh.
Then he cops it.
Yeah, then he cops it.
Yeah.
Poor little rugrats.
Stoned animal.
It's a beautiful day today, apart from the wind, isn't it, babe?
It's a little bit windy.
Yeah, it's a little bit windy, but weather-wise, it's just nice, isn't it?
We could have gone left there and gone back through to Kimberley.
Yes, I'm going to go through that way one day. That's quite a nice ride, that, through there.
Yeah. It'll bring you out just past
Kimberley.
Yep.
Yep. Poppy fields everywhere. So they not only grow pot up here, they grow poppies as well. There's Mount Roland over there on the foothills of St. Oh no, what am I trying to say? The foothills of Sheffield? No, I don't know.
Sheffield
He's on the foothills. Sheffield sits on the foothills of Mount Roland.
That's the one.
And that's a gateway to Cradle Mountain, isn't it?
Beautiful when it's got snow on it.
So we're coming into Sheffield now. It's a beautiful sight, Mount Roland. Like a big rock, isn't it?
Yeah.
wonder if there's gold in them there hills.
Yeah. It could be a big volcanic rock.
I don't know, yeah. I've never Googled it.
No, something you really don't think about, is it? We'll have to ask the tourists.
Yeah, they might know more than what we know. We only live here, for God's sakes.
Yeah. It's a nice cold little place in the winter time up here.
Yes, it gets very cold, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Especially when it's blowing westerly and that. She blows straight off Cradle Mountain. What's that little dog?
Yeah.
Blows straight off Cradle Mountain and that.
Yeah.
And as you've seen before, this is Sheffield. We have been here many a time before. And that's the way to Moena and Cradle Mountain up that way. And Mount Roland too.
Gowrie Park.
Gowrie Park, yes. So what we will do is, we'll end it here in a sec. Because that's our little trip, isn't it?
Yep. It's just to test out the new GoPro 7.
Yes, just trying a few different settings and everything to see what goes with it.